This tutorial guides you through adding a recipe from a photo, allowing you to quickly import recipe details without manual typing. Before starting, ensure you have a clear photo of the recipe in PNG, JPEG, WebP, or GIF format. Click the Add Recipe button to start adding a new recipe to your collection, initiating the process of importing from a photo. Click Upload Photo to open the interface where you can select the image containing your recipe, preparing it for import. Click Import from Photo. Click to upload to select or drag your recipe photo file. Click Extract Recipe to begin the process of analyzing the photo and pulling out the recipe information, which saves you manual entry time. Click Create Recipe to finalize and save the extracted recipe into your collection, making it ready for use and reference. You have successfully added a recipe from a photo by uploading the image, extracting the recipe details, and creating the recipe entry. You can now view, edit, or share this recipe within your collection.